Hello, and welcome to Thursday, day 4, March 11th. It is our last day in week 5 and also our last day in unit 1. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. You have quite a few activities to do, but I will go through each of them. The first activity is a quiz on inferring. So what you will do is you'll start new attempt and you are going to read through this piece of text and select what you infer from the piece of text. The same thing here. What does this section show the reader? And you will choose your answer. And here, what conclusion can the reader make based on this paragraph? You'll choose the answer here. And then you'll review and submit. Okay, that's the first async assignment. Your second async assignment is to answer some job interview questions. So you are choosing a job you'd like to apply for. All right. Then here you have a list of 8 questions. You will pick at least 3 of them and answer. All right. And then you're going to type you can type or you can choose to use the audio how you would answer that question. So this is an example. First you say what company. I'm interested in contributing to a team environment. That's one of the questions. I think I need to learn how to use the computer system at this company, right? That's answering another question. When I'm at work, I avoid taking a long break because it leaves my coworkers without help. That is another question that you're answering. But remember to say, I want to apply at Google. All right. Where do you want to apply and what position are you applying for? All right. So you will type your answer in the chat, or if you choose to, you can use the audio feature. All right. You're going to pick at least 3 of the 8 questions that you would answer in a job interview, and it tells you how you would answer. So you could say, I am interested in teaching kindergarten at this elementary school. What were you responsible for doing at your current or previous job? I was responsible for teaching English to students, communicating with students, like that. That's how you could put your answer. What would you like to do in 5 years from now? I would like to, be a principal of a school. All right. So I just showed you how to use it using gerund and infinitive. You can type your answer or you can use the audio feature. All right. Your next assignment for my friends who haven't done any Spark readings, it's very, very important that you do a Spark reading. And how you access it, you click here and it will ask you to sign in and then you will go straight to your article. Okay. And remember that you need to get 75% on the first try. Some people are still struggling. Remember my 3 tricks and tips. If you forget, you can always ask me and I can show you again. Also, we worked on inferring this week, and so here are some examples of questions you might get, and we break down each choice so you can figure out which one is the best choice, okay? When you see this type of question, what you should be thinking when you see each answer, all right? And that'll be hopefully your second article for the week. And you are going to submit your vision board. Remember, your vision board needs to have a few pictures. It is from Tuesday, so you would go back to week 5 and go to Tuesday async and select your vision board. Now, some people are finished, and I will show you example of what it should look like when you are done. Like you see, Raquel has her 2 pictures. She wants to graduate from Carlos Rosario and she wants to work out more. So she has her 2 pictures. And when you are done, it should look like this. All right, so I'm using Brian's as an example because it's really good. So Brian put his, get his own car, get his A+ certification, become a data engineer, speak English fluently. So he put all of these. And so when you are done, your vision board should look similar to this. All right, it should look very, very similar to this. All right. So what you would do, you would go back to day 2 async to continue working on it, and then you will submit. All right. That's it for async. Let's go to sync. Remember, it is Thursday. We have Zoom class together. We will do a quick discussion with inferring, and then we will go into our groups. All right, remember it's Thursday, so we will go into our reading groups and work on some Spark techniques and some reading techniques to make us better readers. And that's it for today. Good luck.